Today's our topic is defects of vision and their correction. So basically we are having three types of defects of vision. First, which is myopia. So myopia means near sightedness. Second, hypermetropia, which is called far sightedness. And third, which is called presbyopia. Right? So these are three defects of vision in their correction. First, myopia, nearsightedness, means this person only can see near objects, they can't see farer objects, right? So for farer objects they have to wear contact lens or that spectacles. So see what happens exactly here. If this is our eyes, right, here we are having retina. So any object which comes farther from in our eyes, we are having convex lens, right? Always. So if farther objects means very far away from the eyes, so that object having image which is not on retina but before that retina. So to see clear image, this image have to be strike on the retina, but here it can't be strike on the retina. That's why we can't see that image properly. So now what we have to do, we have to keep one concave lens. So by that concave lens, now what happens exactly? If all the lights which is coming from infinite distance, after getting refraction from that, we are getting all the light rays which emits on this retina. So by the concave lens we can remove that particular defect which is called myopia. Now hypermetropia means far-sightedness, means we can only see far distant image but we can't see near distant images. For example, this defect is from near, this is our lens, right? So from near we are having this particular object, and now that object is giving image behind the retina here, but we are getting image behind the retina, so we can't see that object clearly. Now what we have to do, now we have to put convex lens in front of our eyes. Now near object, so after getting diffraction from here, it will emit, it will strikes on the retina. So now we can see that image clearly with this convex lens. So we can correct this type of defect by using convex lens. We can correct this type of defects by using concave lens. Now what is presbyopia? Presbyopia means whenever gradually any person decreases its near sightedness, means gradually it decreases his vision for a nearer object, that is called presbyopia. So these three are the defects of vision. If we are having both type of defects, means myopia and hypermetropia, because some people having these both types of problem, they can't see nearer object as well as farer object because their power of accommodation just decreases. That's why they have to use both type of lenses. So somehow now we can form that spectacle, like they can see nearer object from the other lens and they can see farer object from the other lens. So both type of lens are in one spectacle, and they wear, by wearing that they can see farer object clearly as well as nearer object clearly. So nowadays there are many surgeries that we can correct this type of, and third type of. All the type of defects we can correct it by surgery. So these are the defect of vision and their correction.